जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ। गौरवशाली वैभवशाली तुझको करूँ प्रणाम। जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ,
जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ।
मुझे बचाते फिराओ से वरद हस्त जो तेरे, तेरे मंदिर आते जाते पौध के ना मेरे। जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ। मुझे बचाते फिराओ से वरद हस्त जो तेरे, तेरे मंदिर आते जाते पौध के ना मेरे। तूने माता सरा बना है मेरे बिगड़े का। जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ। गौरवशाली वैभवशाली तुझको करूँ प्रणाम।
जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ।
तेरी महिमा मैं क्या गाऊँ सारी दुनिया जाने। उसको विपदा कभी न घेरे जो कोई तुझको माने। हे माँ हे माँ हे माँ। तेरी महिमा मैं क्या गाऊँ सारी दुनिया जाने। उसको विपदा कभी न घेरे जो कोई तुझको माने। तेरे दो चरणों में देखे मैंने चारों धाम। जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे
जय जगदम्बे माँ।
गौरवशाली वैभवशाली तुझको करूँ प्रणाम।
जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ।
माता तेरे सुमिरन में ये कैसा अमृत पाया। मोह जगत से दूर हुए भय कोई न मन में आया। जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ। माता तेरी सुमिरन में ये कैसा अमृत पाया। मोह जगत से दूर हुए भय कोई न मन में आया। तुमको गाओ तुमको जाओ माता सब होशा। जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे
जय जगदम्बे माँ।
गौरवशाली वैभवशाली तुझको करूँ प्रणाम। जगदम्बे
जय जगदम्बे माँ,
जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे माँ। दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ। रारिणी माँ
जगदोरारिणी माँ
जय काली जय जय 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 माँ
ओ दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ
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 करुणा सागर माँ
करुणा सागर माँ
काली कपालिनी माँ
काली कृपालिनी माँ
जगदोरारिणी माँ
जगदोरारिणी माँ
जगदोरारिणी माँ
जगदोरारिणी माँ
जय काली जय जय 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 माँ
दुर्गे 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 जय जय माँ
दुर्गे दुर्गे
दुर्गे जय जय माँ दुर्गे जय जय माँ दुर्गे जय जय माँ जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा दात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमस्तुते नमः मुनि मुनि रे अमा मारी अमारे मुनि मुनि रे अमा देवी अमाए माँ काली अमा ओय अमा मारी अमारे अमा देवी अमा ओय अमा काली अमारे अमा देवी अमा ओय अमा मारी अमारे अमा देवी अमा ओय अमा काली अमारे अमा देवी अमा मुनि मुनि रे अमा मुनि 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 रे अमा देवी अमा ए अमा काली अमा ओय अमा मारी अमारे अमा देवी अमा ओय अमा काली अमारे अमा देवी अमा
अम्मा काली भद्रकाली जयंती काली मंगला काली सब तो काली रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओ अम्मा मारी अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा ఓయమ్మ కాళియమ్మ రే అమ్మ దేవి అమ్మ అంబా
जय जय गणेश भगवान, जय जय गणेश भगवान,
गणेश भगवान जय जय गणेश भगवान गणेश भगवान जय जय गणेश भगवान अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा मारी अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा काली अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा अम्बा
जय जय धरती माता, जय जय धरती माता, धरती माता, जय जय धरती माता, धरती माता, जय जय धरती माता,
अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा मारी अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा काली अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा
जय जय कृष्ण भगवान, जय जय कृष्ण भगवान, कृष्ण भगवान, जय जय कृष्ण भगवान,
कृष्ण भगवान जय जय कृष्ण भगवान अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा मारी अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा काली अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा रे अम्बा
जय जय राम भगवान, जय जय राम भगवान, राम भगवान,
जय जय राम भगवान राम भगवान जय जय राम भगवान अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा मारी अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा काली अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा
जय जय हनुमान बाबा, जय जय हनुमान बाबा,
हनुमान बाबा जय जय हनुमान बाबा हनुमान बाबा जय जय हनुमान बाबा अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा मारी अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा काली अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा
जय जय शिव भगवान, जय जय शिव भगवान, शिव भगवान, जय जय शिव भगवान,
शिव भगवान जय जय शिव भगवान अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा मारी अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा काली अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा
जय जय दुर्गा माता, जय जय दुर्गा माता,
दुर्गा माता जय जय दुर्गा माता दुर्गा माता जय जय दुर्गा माता अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा मारी अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा काली अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा
मुनि मुनि रे अम्मा मुनि मुनि,
मुनि मुनि रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा रे अम्मा काली अम्मा ओय अम्मा मारी अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा काली अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा ओय अम्मा काली अम्मा रे अम्मा देवी अम्मा
Devotees and friends, Sitaram to one and all, and welcome to this evening's session, the fourth in 9 evenings of discussion. Our puja takes place earlier in the day, and now we are time for discourse. You know, at about 5:30, I really was of the belief, and I conditioned my mind that there will be no discourse this evening, because I was told that a tree fell in the side street there and current went. So I know when pole and street and wire and thing, it takes a little time. But my dear friends, the Divine Mother, God has a way of working. And one of my godson was contacted, and he made a contact, and things just start happening faster than we thought it would. And here I have to present a discourse. You know, and I want to really tell you that in the dark, I did not know what clothes I pulling out from my wardrobe, so I pull out blue and I pull out red. This was looking a little brownish and so on, but it's blue. And my children are always afraid when Daddy put on red, because they said that it is be fire after when the red is. So they don't like me to even put on a red chandan. But I have to do my discourse, and I will do my discourse. So my dear friends, notwithstanding that I have read, I don't believe that the discourse will be much fire, but it will be for you to transform your lives. Let us all pray. Gajananam bhutaganaadisevitam kapeta jambho palisar bhakshanam Umasutam shoka vinashikarkam Namami Vigneshwar Parapankajam Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Saraswati Rupena Sanskritam Namastasye 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 Namo Namaham Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaram Gurur Sakshat Param Brahman Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaham Nagindraharam Trilochanayam Bhashmangragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shudaya Digam Marayam Tasmai Nakarayam Namah Shivayam Om Anjani Garbhasan Mukhom Vayu Putro Mahabam Kumaro Brahmachari Cham Hanuman me prasidha me Om Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Bhagavati Rupena Sanskritam Namastasye 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 Namo Namah Om Bhurbhuvasvatat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhanatu Saha Vidyam Karvabhem Tejasvinavarhitamastu Ma Vidvishabhem Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai Jai Devi जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां, जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां. Children of God, last evening the king Surata and the Vaishnava Samadhi were at the feet of the Guru. They were at the feet of that great sage, the best among all the sages. And they told to him how they moved away from their situation. King Surata moved away from his kingdom, but yet still was worrying about the kingdom. Samadhi, the Vaishnava, moved away from his family because they put him out, but yet still he was worrying when he can reunite with his family. And devotees and friends, this is where our Katha commences. Remember the very first night when we talk about the Devi Puja? So my dear friends, the Rishi Muni now continues speaking and instructing to Raja Surata and Vaishnava Samadhi. Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Man, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Man, Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Man, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Man. Ambe Bhavani Mata, Ambe Bhavani. Sage continues, He Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Man, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Man. He Rajan Kalyan Chahne Wale Ko, Ashirvan aur Chaitra Mahakim, Suklar Paksh विधि पूर्व का नवरात्रि व्रत कारण चाहिए. इस नवरात्रि में उपवास भी करन चाहिए. जय जय देवी जय जय मां. अनुष्ठान में जापे गए मंत्रों के द्वार शर्करम घी और मधु मिश्रित पवित्र खीर से विस्तार पूर्वक हवन करना चाहिए. आत्मा उत्तम विलाप पवित्रो लाला कैल लाके पुष्पो आत्मा शर्कर भी श्रीत तिलोक से हवन करना चाहिए. अष्टानवमी एवं चतुर्थी को विषय रूप से देवी पूजन करना चाहिए. और ऐसे अवसर पर ब्राह्मण भोजन भी करना चाहिए. ऐसा करने से निर्धन को धन की प्राप्ति होती है. रोगी रोग मुक्ति हो जात है. पुत्रहीन भ्याक्ते सुंदर और अज्ञान करे पुत्रों के प्राप्त करता है और रज्याचन युक्त रज्या को सर्वभ्योभां रज्या प्राप्त हो जाप है। जय जय देवी जय जय माँ all together जय जय देवी जय जय माँ जय। Let me hear again. Jai. I want your voices to cover the harmonium. Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Mam, Ambe Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani, Ambe Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani. Oh!
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki. So devotees and friends, remember, the king was deceived by his ministers. The tribal people from the hill came and overthrew him. The Vaishnava Samadhi, because of greed and because of his proper putting together the finances, Samadhi's wife and son put him out because they say he's a miser. He's not spending the money. So they put him out. Prems Bole Sri Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki. So devotees and friends will remember from the last time that the Muni told to the king and Samadhi that they must perform Bhuta Suddhi, where they dissolve the earth into the water and the water into the fire, fire into air and air into ether. Devotees and friends, we're going to get a method. This method will be done by japa, muttering or repeating silently in your heart the mantra of the Divine Devi. We are practicing one beautiful mantra. Om Durga Durgati Rakshani Rakshani Mataye Namah Swaha. Om, the absolute Durga, Divine Mother, Durgate, troubles, difficulties, Rakshani Rakshani, save me, Mata, O Mother, Aye Namaha Swaha. So the mantra means that, O Durga Mata, please come, Aye, I bow to you, Namaha. We must bow first, so that's why Namaha becomes so important at the end of the mantra. I bow to you, please come, O Divine Mother, and save me. Rakshani is to save me, Durgati, from our difficulties and our troubles. So it says here that mantra, muttering the name silently, must be done. It must be done nitya. Nitya, my dear friends, is daily. We select days to do our mantras, Because today is Friday, I will do this. But today is Thursday, I am doing no mantra today. My dear friends, if you want to have the power of the mantra, then daily you must continue to recite the mantra, and so the mantra will bring the power within you. So devotees and friends, then you have the Purush Charan. That is where you repeat the mantra. But this is, special. In that, my dear friends, Nitya Karam or Nitya Jap Daily jap goes with Havan also. How many of us do jap at least once a week, save and except coming to Ramayan Yatra or coming to Devi Yajna? How many do Havan every day? Oh, sorry, not every day. I put in you too much of street. How many perform Havan once a week? But devotees and friends, it tells to us that when you do jap, jap must go with Havan. But when you want to do a Purus Charan, when you really want to maintain and lift yourself, Swami Shivananda says that a simple Purus Charan is that you do 16 times 108 of the mantra each day. We don't do 1 times 108. How are we going to reach 16 times 108? So you see, my dear friends, how much we are lacking. I don't want you to tell me how much you just do. So devotees and friends, when you are performing the Purus Charan, so if you are to do 16 times 108 by just jap, so you see, I don't want to discourage you. That's why I just start you off a little bit. But here, my dear friends, we are going to see a result. And this result is because of intense devotion. So many of us are looking for result, but we are not devoting, we're still holding on to the world. We are not performing that Bhut Suddhi. We are not dissolving ourselves into God. So listen how it happens. You recite the mantra. Durga Durgati Rakshani Rakshani Mataye Namaswa. Om Aing Haring Kling Chamundaye Vijay. But if you're doing 16 malas, 16 times 108, then you must do 10% of that in Havan. And how much is 10% of 16 malas? I 1.6, eh? So 1.6, I'll pull out my calculator in my head, You know, that's the thing about children of today. They had to pull the calculator for simple things like that. Not so, Rajesh? And all the children in school now is calculator they pull in. In our times, we had to calculate it in our head one time. So it's 1.6. So that's 108 plus. If I go to check the 1.6, I will get it too. But it's nearly close to, so you could say 2 malas. You must do in Havan. And after doing that 2 malas in Havan, then you do another 10% of that in offering of the dhar. And why is the sequence like that? Devotees and friends, when you chant the mantra, the vibration of the mantra builds within the mind. And the more you chant the mantra, is the more smooth the mind will work with the mantra. And the more smooth the mantra rolls within the mind, so too the Shakti of the mantra will come. When you get the Shakti of the mantra now, my dear friends, then you perform Havan. Because then your Havan will be meaningful. So my dear friends, now when you offer the Havan, the fragrance go to a certain distance. And then when you come and offer your tarpan, the water, that go even further. So my dear friends, this is what it means by dissolve the earth into the water. When you chant the mantra and you continue to repeat, my dear friends, you move yourself from the state of physical body, flesh, earth, and you go into the mind, more subtle, water. And then, my dear friends, when the water goes into fire, what happens? Isn't it that the fire evaporates the water and it goes into vapor up in the air? So too, my dear friends, when you move now, the mantra, I'm talking about a physical, internal spiritual fire, you know. The mantra, my dear friends, by constant repetition, bring you from the worldly state into a state of being, into, memory. You're getting a vibration. From the vibration now, my dear friends, it goes now and it moves up. And then, my dear friends, it filled the environment, it filled the air. And then after filling the air, the hawan, the smoke, the hawan, after filling the air now with this fragrance, the fragrance is pregnant with love because your heart now have become loving with the mantra repetition. So it goes now in the hawan. And then, my dear friends, when you send it to that distance, you become even more charged, as we will see. The consciousness raised a bit higher. And then you offer the turpan. And when you offer the turpan now, and the sun absorbs the water, and it goes, my dear friends, into the atmosphere, what it says, it evaporates and then it condenses and come back down as pure water. And that's the process that all of us have to go through. But it doesn't happen so easy. That is why the constant repetition of the name of the mantra, that is why the repetition of the mantra becomes most. So I'm moving you from a Purus Charan now. So let us try and do, how much jap Ole could do comfortable one day? Rashmi? 108? 216? 324? 432? Or three times. A lot of us as Hindus, my dear friends, accustomed doing our Guru mantra 3 times before we sleep. How much yours do yours, Nikhil? Don't say. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. That is 1. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 2. Om Namo Bhagavate. You don't get to finish the 3 and you go on. My dear friends, you must do your job each day, that when you sleep, you must dream yourself doing the puja and the job. And my friends, I want to tell to you, when you dream yourself into the puja, it is the sweetest feelings you could ever get. Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki jai. So devotees and friends, this much is about the Purus Charan. So again, instruction continues, you see. So all these instructions were given to King Surata and the Vaishnava Samadhi. He gave them further instruction now, and he told to them, in the bright fortnight of the month of Ashwin or Chaitra is to be observed the fasting of the Navratri by those who desire for their own welfare So I want you to understand what the fasting of this Navratri does for us. It helps us to live our welfare. It says Homa or Havan are to be offered. Many in number, not few in number. It says many in numbers. And the mantras are to be recited the same as one owns mantra. So my dear friends, then it says, you prepare that samagri with sugar, ghee, honey, and the holy leaves of the bale, sesame seed, which is the black till, mixed with honey, and that you offer as your havan. But my dear friends, the special days of each month to worship the divine Devi will be and perform Homa, especially Devi Havan, is on the Ashtami Tithi, the Naumi Tithi, and the Chaturdasi Tithi. It is the 8th day, the 9th day, and the 14th day after the moon, be it the new moon or the full moon. So my dear friends, it tells to us, it says if you perform the Navratri Vrat, what we are doing now, you perform the Navratri Vrat for 9 days, and then on the 10th day you have Dasmi Vijay. But then it says monthly, you must do it 3 days. Ashtami Tithi, Naumi Tithi, and Chaturdasi Tithi. 8th, 9th, and 14th day. I am not going to bring you out the 3 days. I am going to bring you out 1 day. But for me to bring you out 1 day, I must get at least 3 people willing to hold this vrat of Durga Ma, so that when I come to do the devotion, I sure I will have at least 3 people sitting here. And that's good enough for me. We could have the whole congregation still, but I'm saying minimum, if I get 3, I will start it. The vrat is just like Ganesh Bhagwan. No meat, no fish, no eggs, no alcohol. For the year, prepare your basket and come. We'll do it on the Ashtami or the Naumi Tithi. I think we will choose the Ashtami Tithi. Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai. So these were instructions. I am making the instructions here, but my dear friends, these were instructions given to us long time by the Muni to King Surata and the Vaishnava Samadhi. And he tells to them, he says that the person, the person who performed this devotion, he say, those who are poor will become wealthy. Those who are diseased will get cured. And the person who have no issues, meaning no children, they will get obedient and well-qualified sons. So, my dear friends, the king expelled from the kingdom get back by the grace of Mahamaya his dominion over the whole earth and become able to destroy those enemies of his. So, devotees and friends, it says the person who is desirous of learning, Ash, Rashri, those who need to have your education, this will help you to lift your standard of your education, your learning. So, my dear friends, the learning will become honorable and auspicious. This is what the Devi provide for us. It will help us to restrain our senses, the eyes, the ears, You know how much this eyes lead us away? Nirvan? The eyes that see so much a thing and want it, and it does run us away from God. The ears does hear so many different things and so many different music around all the different airwaves that we have now, that you just feel it difficult to sing Jai Ram Shri Ram. Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagwan ki Jai. So children of God, you see, it tells to us, by worshipping the Devi, we will be able, be he man or woman, perform the Navrat Vrat, always of full devotion, and this full devotion means with full love, gets all the desired fruit. Whoever celebrates the holy Navrat ceremony in the bright fortnight of the month of Ashwin, his heart will be full of the thoughts of the Devi and get his desired fruit. Prem se bole Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki Jai. So devotees and friends, in the Navratri, this is how it is done. O King, hey Rajan, Chandika Devi and the Devis, he says the Devi is to be worshipped 3 times per day. Morning, midday and evening. It says when you are performing the Navratri Vrat, you should not be miserly. Look for the prettiest flowers. Look for the best quality ghee to offer. You know today, and this is maybe a joke, but it's truth. Pandit is a white dhoti you have on, stuff white. Devotees and friends, today we look for the cheapest brand of ghee to do hawan with. Am I telling one truth? No. But when the birthday parties come, my dear friends, you look for all the different colors. That is 3 times or 4 times or sometimes 5 times the price of 1 bottle of pure ghee. A bottle of pure ghee, my dear friends, might be between $150 to $200. And my dear friends, a bottle of the party syrup sometimes has been nearly $1,200 to $1,500. Like good price, Ken? Or a little more? Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagwan ki. My dear friends, I want you all get my point. It tells to us here, when we are doing our puja, we must not be miserly. We must get the best for our puja. Prem se bole Shri Ram Chandra Bhagwan ki. And then it tells us, yes, light, dhoop, good present, rice, all these things should be there to offer in the havan, clothing and all of that. But devotees and friends, after all of this, the king said, Vyasji says, O king, hearing thus the Rishi words, King Surat and Vaishnava, who were distressed in their mind, became very much comforted and bowed down to the Muni. Remember, my dear friends, they were very uncomfortable. So, my dear friends, they became very comfortable. They became calm. They were quiet in temper. And they addressed with folded hands the following words. today, great sage. My dear friends, it says here, both of us are much afflicted, you know. जय जय देवी जय जय मां जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां जय जय देवी जय जय मां जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी जी बोले जय जय देवी जय जय मां जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां उनका यहाँ वचन सुनाकर दुखीता हृदय बोली वैश्या और राजा ने प्रसन्नता पूर्वक भवा से मुनि के चरणों में जय जय देवी जय जय मां जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां हे ब्राह्मण आपकी अमृतामरी वाणी के रस से हम दोनों धन्या और कृत कृत्या हो गए जय जय देवी जय जय मां हे करुणा सागर अपनी कृपा से हम दोनों को पवित्र कर दिया जय जय देवी जय जय मां अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी.
And so, devotees and friends, both Surata, the king, and Samadhi, the Vaishnava, fell at the feet of the divine sage, my dear friends. And they accepted what the sage was saying is the only way and the only solution out of their troubles. And so they accepted and they have consented that they are willing now to perform this vrat. So, devotees and friends, you know, when the Ganesh time comes and we are giving the vrat to people, I know for a fact in Felicity, I used to select through the energy of Ganesh Bhagwan. This year, my dear friends, I do just like what I do here. You must be willing for it. And so, my dear friends, we have 45 people, 2 from Florida, going with this year vrat. And so, my dear friends, we have 45, so it means 43 people from right here in our community and people we know is performing this vrat out of their own free will. And so, my dear friends, if we are to really get this Devi devotion going, then out of your own free will, you must tell me, Pandit, I am ready. Because this is what Surata and Samadhi did. They went to the Muni now, they fell at his feet and they say, Prabhu Brahman, we are ready now to do our fast. They were given the fast. 1 month passed, and they forget everything after the month of devotion. After the second month, they started to dream the Devi every night. But remember, this devotion is going on 3 times per day, reciting the mantra. And they are doing the Purushan, Purucharan. So devotees and friends, after 3-4 months, the Devi manifested to them. And when the Devi come to them, she told to them, she said, "Hey Rajan, I am very pleased with your devotion, O king. Ask for what you want." And the king said, "I would like to have my kingdom so that I can go back and take care of my subjects. I must be able to destroy my enemies." And so, my dear friends, Devi Puran tells to us that the Divine Mother pulled out her energies from the enemies, and so the king was able to become triumphant, and he went back and he had his kingdom. But my dear friends, this is the reason why I made sure I specifically tell you it was not just a blessing of the mother. They worked themselves to achieve that. The Vaishnava now, and the mother went to the Vaishnava, the businessman, and he says, "Samadhi, I am very pleased with your devotion. Whatever you wish, I will give it to you, O Samadhi." What Samadhi did? What did he ask for? Well, Munish, what would you have asked for? Remember, you lost your whole family and everything else. Neil, what you would ask for? Omar, what you would ask for, sir? For your family. Devotees and friends, listen very carefully. The Vaishnava with folded hands, very humble, he said, "O mother, he says, I have nothing to do with house, sons, no wealth, O mother. The house, the wealth, and sons, all these are so many sources of bondage to this world, and are very transitory, like dreams. All these things on the world here, it is like a dream. One day it will all shatter." So it says, persons who are devoid of knowledge, those fools are merged into the ocean of the world. I'm not calling anybody any fool. This is the Vaishnava saying. He's saying we merge ourselves in the ocean of the world like fools, because the world will definitely disappoint us at some point. He said the wise never prefer this samsara. Therefore, they can cross this world. Devotees and friends, when the great sage Vyasa and all of them were hearing this, my dear friends, they felt so happy. And he said, "O Divine Mother, O Mahamaya," he says, "all I want is that you help me so that I would live in the world but being beyond the world. I would not allow this world to entangle me anymore. Allow me the privilege so that I will always be at your lotus-like feet. It says, after the Divine Mother blessed them all, she disappeared. Prem se bole Sri Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki Jai. So devotees and friends, he now, the Vaishnava, became illumined, and the spiritual knowledge was there with him, and all his connection with this world, from the bondage, he was free from them all. He became liberated in his lifetime and traveled always from one place of pilgrimage to another until he passed away his time in singing the glorious deeds of the Divine Mother. Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki Jai. So devotees and friends, I really wanted to finish this discussion with you because we have gone 4 days into this discussion so that we can start a new topic in the next day. So we'll have now our cracking of the coconut, and Pandit Jai will lead us out into the arti. Coconut, everybody, come on. Come on, let's get the harmonium down there for Pandit Jai. Jayo. Oh, Omar's, yeah. All right, everybody hold your coconut in your hands. All those who have your coconut, please take the coconut into your hand. Where Roshan? Oh. Let us all pray. Hari Om Sri Krishna Krishna Sagyai Pavidya Mamasya Vidyar Pradveshri Vala Kalipate Saptame Vaivas Manwantar Kalipatam Charani Jambu Dvipe West Indies Kande Arivat Arike Deshantargati Trinidad Desh Hari Om Sri Mapipi Road Whiteland Kshetra Grami Bhautavatarit Parhe. And we pray for all the people who are viewing us on Facebook and all the people who are viewing us online, www.dharam.ki and also on YouTube. Because we have quite a number of people, we pray for all of you. So you pray wherever you are now. Hari Om Sri Deihik Deivik Bhautik Tapatriya Nirvamurtya Devi Grahari Shimani Madhava. Om Sri Durga Durgati Rakshani Rakshani Mataye Namaha. Om Durga Durgati Rakshani Rakshani Mataye Namaha. Om Sri Durga Durgati Rakshani Rakshani Mataye Namo Namaha. Nariyal Palam Jambu Palam Pratigrehipam Prem Sabale Sri Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. All please stand.
सर्वमंगलमंगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरणे त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते नमस्तुते महामाई सुरपूजिते शंकर चक्र गजधर महालक्ष्मी नमस्तुते ओम जय 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 देवी जगदम्ब जय जय
जय देवी जगदम्बा
जय 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 देवी जगदम्बा
जय 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 देवी जगदम्बा
संकट हरणी मंगल करणी
संकट धुम दुर्गा धुम 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 धुम दुर्गा
दुर्गा निवासनी दुर्गा कपालनी दुर्गा निवासनी दुर्गा कपालनी दुर्गा दुर्गति अम्बा Let us all pray. Glorify the Devi, your mother, your father, your food, your health, your education, your vision, and your destiny, your divine mother. By that grace, we are here in this universe that you look after us every day. Ashtabhujangame, in all the quarters, in all the space, in all the locusts. Hey Devi Mata, you look after your children and the soul. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रिये वा बुद्ध्या मना वा प्रकृतितवा वा अरो यज्ञत् सकलं पदस्मै नारायणाय समर्पयामि ओम द्यौ शांति अंतरिक्षगम शांति पृथ्वी शांति आपा शांति शधे शांति वनस्पति शांति विश्वदेव शांति ब्रह्म शांति सर्वगम शांति शांति एव शांति सामा शांति शांति हरि ओम नमो परमात्मये नमः असतोर्मा सतगमय तमसोर्मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ओम। नौ दुर्गा देवी भवानी माता की जय, नौ ग्रह देवता की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय, रामचंद्र भगवान की जय, राम गोविंदा गोविंदा, हर हर पार्वती पते, हर हर महादेव काशी विश्वनाथ की जय, सनातन धर्म की जय, सकल पंच की जय जय सीताराम। भगवान देवतु पंडित विष्णु।
All please have your seats. Arti, Prasad will come to you, and very quickly you will collect your refreshment, Anushka, because we have